Hi guys, welcome back to my Amazing Kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family today. In today's video, we are going to be making some immune boosting citrus, ginger and turmeric tea. Let's get started. We need some oranges, some lemon and ginger, preferably organic ginger. We also need some turmeric, fresh turmeric. And this is how fresh turmeric looks like. It almost looks like ginger, but it's definitely not. But if you can't find it, you can use the powdered turmeric as well. To make the tea, we need to make a base first, and we do that by slicing our citrus very thinly. So I'm going to slice my oranges and my lemon in thin slices and then cut them into small pieces as well. I'm going to transfer this into a bowl and set it aside. And since we are using the rind of the citrus, you want to make sure that it is thoroughly cleaned. In my mortar and pestle, I'm going to lightly crush my ginger. It doesn't have to be really smooth. You can also use your blender for this, but I'm using this because it's just a small quantity of ginger. Crush it and then transfer it onto the citrus. And I'm going to do the same with my fresh turmeric, and you want to be careful with turmeric because it can really stain. So be mindful of what you use the turmeric in. Add that to your mixture and then add raw organic honey. This immune boosting tea also doubles as a homemade cold and flu remedy. So using raw organic honey in this recipe is highly recommended. Now mix everything well together until combined and then transfer it into a cleaned airtight container. Whilst the mixture sits, the honey will extract all the juices from the citrus and you would be left with more juice than you started with, and that's exactly what you want. So this is the base for our tea, and you can keep this in the fridge for up to a month without it going bad. But trust me, this is going to be gone in less than 1 week. It really is that good, especially if you are a little under the weather. Cover it tightly and pop it in the fridge. To make the tea, just scoop some of our base into your glass or your mug. Add a little bit of the juices as well and then pour over your hot water. Just give it a good stir and your tea is ready to be enjoyed. You don't need to strain your tea, but for the children, I do that just to make it a little easy for them to sip on. And there you have it, my citrus, ginger, turmeric immune boosting tea that doubles as a homemade cold and flu relief as well. I hope you try it this winter. I know you are going to love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.